That time we have to give the pension and gratuity fund. That's why it was kept pending for a long time. Not in our government. It was there in the earlier government also it was there. Because there was a High Court stay was there. The FKCC people, they went to the High Court. They requested not to put on the consumers. But now High Court ruled in favor of the thing, ESCOMs. They can charge whatever the dues for the pension and the other thing, they can charge from the consumers. That's what the thing. And KERC has passed the order. It is not the government order. The KERC has passed the order.
Karnataka state government has increased the electricity prices also. The increase in the price, the reason they are giving is the government is supposed to give their part of the finances for the pension and the gratuity for the people who are working in MESCOMs and KPTCL. The government has failed to produce that money. The government has told that we don't have that amount of money with us. So they have increased the price of the electricity, and indirectly people of Karnataka are suffering because the financial situation of the whole of the power department has gone down the drain.
I demand Chief Minister Siddaramaiah, he should learn lesson from Chief Minister Umar Abdullah. He has openly appreciated central government, Narendra Modi ji government and Nirmala Sitaram for helping Jammu Kashmir to come out of the economic crisis. So what is the state of affairs in Telangana? His chief minister has admitted that their Telangana government does not have money to pay the salaries of the state government employees. So Karnataka's situation is not too far. Economic situation, financial position of the Karnataka is going from bad to worse. But unfortunately, Siddaramaiah is more busy attacking Narendra Modi ji government rather than addressing the issues here in the Karnataka.
If you like the video, do like, comment, share and subscribe.